This dance is called Tell Me. 32 count, 4 walls, and it's an improver level line dance. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, step right to the side, behind, make a quarter chassé to your right, side together quarter, make a pivot, half turn to your right, step left forward, give a half turn, and a half turn shuffle to the right, side together back. Section 1 with a count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, step right back, back, left back, back coaster with a cross, back together cross. Step your left to the side, right behind left, make a quarter turn to your left, step your right to the side. Section 2 with a count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, step your left behind right. Step the right to your side. Cross, left over right. Recover. Make a quarter chassé to your left. Side together quarter. And a half turn shuffle to the left. Quarter together back. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Rock back on your left. Recover. Full turn to your right. Half turn, half turn. Rock left forward. Recover and a back coaster with a cross. Back together cross. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you end the dance here. Now I go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8.